Let us begin JCI Tanjung Bunga 40th Anniversary Installation and Awards Banquet.
You'll never be ready until you start doing it. And that's actually why I'm here, not ready, but stepping into this adventure anyway. If you ask me, is the president outstanding alone? No, it's the outstanding team that makes the president shine. Every single one of you means magical treasure to me.
As I stand here for my final speech as the 2024 local president at JCI Tanjung Bunga, time flies. Just a snap, my term has come to an end. In fact, it is an incredible journey. Tonight, I want to make one thing clear. This is not a goodbye. I may no longer hold the title of local president, but I will always be with you guys.
At the end of the day, the whole JCI ecosystem, be it junior, be it the Senate Association, be it the Alumni Club, Alumni Association, it is about empowering young people from 18 to 40 years old.
And will do the best of my ability to serve as a leading example of this organization philosophy and belief.
Congratulations to JCI Tanjung Bunga for the significant occasion of your 40th anniversary.